Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect your Phantom wallet to Paws Airdrop. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your Telegram app and go to Paws Bot. Launch the bot, and right here on the homepage of your Paws Airdrop, just like this, all you need to do right here is to go ahead and click on your wallet. You can see that at the top of your screen right here. So, when you click on that, to expand the section, you're going to see the Ton wallet you've connected before. And also, they are asking you here to connect your Sol wallet. All you need to do right here is to go ahead and click on Connect Sol wallet, and you'd be able to see the Phantom option right here. I must have created a Phantom wallet account. Then go ahead and click on Phantom, just like this. Right here, you can see already have a Phantom wallet, or create a new Phantom wallet. Now, all I need to do here is to click on Connect Phantom Wallet, because I already have a Phantom wallet. So when it directs you to your Phantom wallet, all you need to do is to input your fingerprint or your password. Now, this is what you're going to see right here. All you need to do is to go ahead and click on Connect. Now, when you do that, it is going to direct you back to your Telegram app. Now, looking there, you can see that I've been able to connect the Sol wallet, which is our Phantom wallet right here. So, that's basically how you can connect your Phantom wallet to Paws Airdrop. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.